Hello and welcome to VTC's Adobe InDesign CS5 Advanced course. My name is Brian White and I'll be guiding you through some of the fantastic features of this great software package. InDesign is a part of Adobe's Creative Suite. That's what the CS stands for. And although this is called CS5, it's really the 7th version of InDesign. They started with CS, then moved to CS2, incorporated all the other programs into the Creative Suite, and that's when they released InDesign CS. Went CS2, CS3, etc., and now with CS5. Now, I personally have been using design software since the late 1980s and have used Quark, PageMaker, and really InDesign is so great compared to those other software packages, and it just gets better every time. Now, this is the advanced course. I did do the beginner course, and it's available through VTC, and I'm going to assume that you have done it, or at least have that knowledge, as we get into the features of this course. So here is what we are going to cover. I'm going to start off by talking about customizing the interface so that you can be as efficient as possible within InDesign. We'll then get on to pages and masters, and we did touch on this in the beginner tutorial, but we get into some more advanced features like the new multiple page sizes and then multiple master pages and how they integrate with various layers. We talk about layers, which has been really revamped in this particular version so that each object is effectively its own layer, which becomes very important when you're dealing with complex layouts. We talk about how you can work with graphics and how you can have, for example, inline graphics that move and flow with the text. We talk about effects. Effects haven't really changed in this version, but they are great that you can add drop shadows and transparencies to your objects. We then have advanced features and advanced styles, all to do with text. And this is really where InDesign is so powerful. I love talking about styles and the text features that you can integrate with styles. We look at tables. We create a long document with multiple InDesign documents and put them together using an InDesign book. Show you how to prepare your file for prepress, whether you're sending your native files out to a printer or creating a high resolution PDF. Then at the very end, we get to what I consider the fun stuff, and that is interactive. You have interactive for PDF and interactive for Flash. You can create Flash ads that can go directly on a website without going or using Flash at all. This is absolutely fantastic that you can do this. This is going to get even better with future releases of InDesign, and I'm really looking forward to it. There are a few little pitfalls at the moment where it's not working perhaps as well as it should, but I will be pointing those out to you. So in the next movie, we'll take a look at the new features, some of which were covered in the beginner course and some we're going to cover in this course.